Vladimir is out there trying to get the snow off of the house, of the shelter. And there are the horses. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing one. Oh no, he might be right there in the edge, the little tiny one, maybe. Right there. Maybe? That's a horse? I don't know what it is. There's Snow. There's Breeze. There's Ginger. I need to find Rain. I don't know if Vladimir realizes that you can't pick up that tent. Wow. Oh. Vladimir is using this long stick we bought. It's a roof cleaner. It's for the roof of the houses. He's using it for the tent. And maybe if he can clear out the snow. Oops, sorry, everybody. This is kind of scary. The horses want to go inside. One way or the other. I think there's a horse in there. This is Breeze. Yeah, they need to go inside. Holy mackerel. Thank God for Vladimir. If I didn't have him, I would have to be doing this. And I would too, if my foot wasn't in the condition that it is. Wow. Look how deep that snow is. Okay, I don't want them to run over the edge. There's a little... Vladimir's telling them to go. Okay, we'll let you know what he finds inside. Hopefully it's just one of the little tiny horses that couldn't get out.